I have chosen 3 types of adjustable range. This, my friend have given me. This is called melee grip. It is special for motorcycle, Harley Davidson. Yeah. This, but I see this has the same structure like Airwin's quick adjusting range. Here, with a T block, provides such kind of adjusting. The problem is, when the board or nut is out of its standard size, it does not supply fine-tuning function. Look, the fixed door cannot touch movable door. It comes from the T-gap. Thus, the board or nut will likely to slippage, to slip. This one is conventional adjustable range. This black one, yeah. It's made by InnoMax, yeah. This is the standard one wheel. T-type we call it. Have you counted how many times have I rode? How much time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 seconds about 45 seconds. This is InnoMax revolutionary inventive product. It is also quick adjustable range. Look at the difference. This is sawtooth, and this is, we call it T-type one wheel, the sawtooth one wheel. And here assembling is different. Here is an oval hole, and this is just a round hole to fix the pin. It works like this. Use your thumb and forefinger together to drag down the worm wheel. And the movable drawer is released. Okay. It has no difference with this type of quick adjusting range. Yeah? But we have fine-tuning function as conventional adjustable range. Yes. When the workpiece is out of its standard size, we can use this function to tighten firmly on the workpiece and then to range. Look at this, there's a gap. This comes from the T-gap, okay, and you may fine-tune one wheel to make a firm contact, but this cannot. See, this is a big difference, and this type is close to conventional adjustable range. If I didn't say, you can hardly to differentiate between the two ranges. That's all. I'm sure you're aware which one is better.